Welcome. So today we're looking at a really fascinating tool for anyone in the marketing space. It's the Elastic Email MCP Server Agent.
Right, and for anyone who wants to check it out while we talk, you can find agents like this one on the AI Agent Store website.
Exactly. So our mission today is to really figure out how this thing works. How does it act as a bridge and turn a general AI into a specific email marketing powerhouse?
It's a really good question. I think a lot of email marketers, growth specialists, they'd find this useful.
Okay, so let's unpack that name. Model Context Protocol Server. It's a bit of a mouthful. What's the core problem this MCP server is actually solving for someone?
Well, think of it like a language barrier. It solves the communication gap between your, say, your large language model and a specialized service like Elastic Email.
A translator.
Exactly. It's a universal translator. It's built to give full-scale email capabilities to any AI agent that, speaks this model context protocol.
So without it, your AI would just get stuck trying to figure out the right API commands to, I don't know, launch a campaign.
Precisely. This provides that standardized instruction set.
Got it. So the server is the connector. What is the agent itself? What's it actually doing?
The agent is what gives you the list of actions, the capabilities. It connects securely to your Elastic email account with an API key. And once that's done, your AI assistants basically get full operational control.
Okay, so what's on that list? What are the key things marketers are using this for right now?
It really handles the whole campaign lifecycle.
From the start.
From the very beginning. We're talking about letting your AI assistant create campaigns, launch them, pause them, whatever you need.
And what about retrieving data? That's always the painful part.
That's where it really shines. You can just tell the AI, go get the open and click rates from last quarter's welcome series, and boom, it gets that data for you. No logging in, no running manual reports.
So it's not just management, it's also the metrics. That points to a lot of automation potential, especially for those, repetitive tasks.
Absolutely. It also manages your contact lists and segments. You can use natural language for that too.
Like what?
You could just say, create a new segment for users who haven't opened an email in the last 60 days. And it just does it. It executes that API call.
Okay, but this is where I got a little confused. For a tool that's all about automation, the autonomy level is listed at just 22%. That feels really low. Isn't that a huge limitation?
You'd think so, wouldn't you? But it's probably the most important insight here. That low score is actually a feature, not a bug.
Okay, explain that. How is that a feature?
Because the server works as a reactive translation layer. It has to be told what to do. It has almost no ability to initiate a workflow on its own.
So it's not going to wake up one morning and decide to send out a holiday promo just because it feels like it.
Not a chance. It needs a direct command from a human, or maybe from a higher level AI agent in a bigger workflow. It ensures you have control. It's all about operational safety.
So if we zoom out a bit, this low autonomy setup is actually what makes the whole thing work so smoothly, right?
That's the fascinating part, yeah. The consensus in the community is that this kind of unified protocol simplifies everything. It gives the LLMs a common language, the MCP, so they can talk to a system like email without having to learn a totally new custom API every single time.
Which means you can build those complex automated workflows much, much faster.
Exactly.
So what this all boils down to for a marketer is you have an agent ready to take plain English instructions and turn them into critical email operations.
And the pricing model on this is freemium, so it's very easy to get started.
Right. So here's a thought to leave you with. Given that it's designed for these precise, directed actions, what are the common repetitive marketing tasks in your day-to-day that you could automate first?
Like pulling those campaign stats every Monday morning, or refreshing complex audience segments. That's the low-hanging fruit.
Start there, automate the repetitive stuff, and then build out from there.
You can find this specific agent and plenty of others over at aiagentstore.ai.
Thanks for tuning in. And if you have a moment, we'd really appreciate it if you could rate and review this discussion.
It helps a lot. Thanks again.